Hi students, welcome back. Today's section we are going to discuss the fundamentals of partnership accounting for class 12. In my previous section, I have already discussed the basics of partnership accounting, its theoretical part, and we have discussed what is profit and loss appropriation account and problems relating to it. If you want to watch the previous videos, the link will provide the description box below. You can check it out. Today we are going to discuss partners' capital accounts. All the transactions relating to partners of the firm are recorded in the books of the firm through partners' capital account. This transaction includes the amount of money brought as capital, withdrawals of capital, share of profit, interest on capital, interest on drawings, partner's salary, partner's commission, etc. So, capital account is an account to record the transactions relating to partners. Okay. There are two methods for preparing partner's capital account. First one is fixed capital method and second one is fluctuating capital method. Okay. So, we can start the fixed capital method. In the fixed capital method, two accounts will be prepared. First one is partner's capital account and second one is partner's current account. Under fixed capital method, first of all, we have to prepare partner's capital accounts. In this account, the entry of partner's capital is shown. Okay. This method, the capital account will include only the amount of capital brought by a partner at the time of starting the business. Okay. And generally, in regular circumstances, the capital of the partners shall remain to be the same always with the credit balances. Okay. Under fixed capital method, the capital of the partners shall remain fixed unless additional capital is introduced. Is it clear? This is the format of partners' capital account. If there is any opening balance of capital, that opening balance is shown in the credit side of partners' capital account by balance brought down. We know in regular circumstances, the capital of the partners shall remain to be the same always with the credit balance. So that will show in the credit side by balance brought down. And in special circumstances, when partners may bring in additional capital or when they may withdraw the excess amount of capital with mutual consent, the capital may increased or decreased. So, if any additional capital is introduced, that additional capital is shown in the credit side by cash or by bank. And if any excess amount is withdrawn, that is shown in the debit side to bank or to cash. Only this much has to be shown in the partner's capital account. The second account we are preparing under fixed capital method is partner's current account. All other items such as interest on capital, interest on drawings, partner's salary, partner's commission, share of profit or share of loss, these all items are shown in a separate account. That account is known as partner's current account. So we know capital is shown in capital account and other than capital, all other items will shown in the partner's current account. This is the format of partner's current account. Like other accounts, it has also debit side and credit side, date, particulars, amount, date, particulars, amount. Also, how many partners we have, we will make a separate column for each partner, like partner A, partner B. Okay. Then, if we have the opening balance of current account, we will start with the opening balance. The opening balance may either debit balance or credit balance. If the opening balance is credit balance, we will write by balance brought down in credit side. And if it is a debit balance, to balance brought down in the debit side. Okay. And whatever the beneficial of partner shown on credit side. Also, whatever is expenses or losses of a partner is shown on debit side of this current account. Okay, the beneficial means interest on capital, salary, commission, etc. These are the beneficial of a partner. These all items are credited in the partner's current account as by interest on capital, by salary, by commission. Okay, and share of profit also credited in this account. Share of profit we can get it from the profit and loss appropriation account. Share of profit is a benefit of a partner, so it has to credited. Okay, then debit side. All expenses or losses of a partner is shown in the debit side. Here, to drawings account, to interest on drawings account, the partner has pay back the amount to the business. Along with the drawings, the partner has to pay interest. So, it is the expenses of partner. So, it has to debit it. And also, share of loss, that also debited here to profit and loss appropriation account. That is a loss of the partner, so it has to debit it. Okay. A partner's current account may have a credit balance or a debit balance. A credit balance of this account is shown on the liability side of the balance sheet, while a debit balance is shown on the asset side of the balance sheet. Is it clear? This is the format of partner's current account. Okay. This is the second method for preparing partner's capital account. First one is the fixed capital method. Second one is the fluctuating capital method. Under this method, there is no separate current account is maintained. Only one account, that is capital account, is maintained for each partner. All the adjustments to capital will be recorded in the capital account itself. As per this method, all adjustment to capital, that is interest on capital, interest on drawings, salary, commission, drawings, additional capital, etc. will be incorporated in this capital account itself, and it fluctuates from time to time. Okay, the balance in the capital account is fluctuate time to time. It is the combination of capital account and current account what we prepared under fixed capital method. Okay, there is no current account, separate current account is prepared under this method. Under this method, here only one account is prepared, that is capital account. Is it clear? In this video, we discussed partners' capital accounts and methods of preparing partners' capital accounts. There are two methods for preparing partners' capital account. First one is fixed capital method. Under fixed capital method, we have to prepare two accounts. First one is capital account and second one is the current account. And the second method is fluctuating capital method. We have to prepare only one account, that is capital account. Okay. In the next video, we can solve a question related with capital accounts.